Let's wind back the clock to good old 1983, where leather jackets were everywhere and every man and his dog smoked cigarettes. All this time ago, people didn't have smartphones in their pockets, and so many little features that we now take for granted weren't readily available. Can you believe that? But in came Casio with the revolutionary SL800, a credit card size calculator, something that had never been seen before. Over 40 years later, and Casio have revived this technological breakthrough within these two retro digital watches. Today we're taking a look at the A168WEHA-9A and the A168WEHB-1A. Released this year in 2024, these two digital watches have taken design inspiration from the world's thinnest calculator in its time. Now, the base model for these watches is already very 80s looking, but these versions here have taken that sentiment and turned it to 11. They use the same colors and typeface found on those credit card size calculators, which combine together to be a nice deviation from the standard A168 model. With their mirrored dials and polished stainless steel cases, these watches are actually pretty flashy. Personally, I am a big fan of this one with the gold and red design on the dial. However, I could definitely see myself wearing this black model here, depending on the rest of my outfit. As usual with the A168 models and most digital Casios, they are water resistant, which really means that you don't have to worry about rain or small splashes of water coming from washing your hands. I would definitely not swim or dive with one of these, however it has been done with other similar Casios. Battery life is quoted at about 7 years, so a nice long life battery, and we get the classic self-adjustable stainless steel band on both models. I personally find these watches to be very comfortable to wear all day, mostly because of the dimensions, but also because they're super lightweight at just 49 grams. Dimensions read at 38.6mm lug to lug, 36.3mm wide, and just 9.6mm thin. These are very thin watches and you almost can't notice them when you wear them. So for my wrist, which measures about 16.5 centimeters around, they fit perfectly. If you have small wrists like me, definitely look into these Casios. Of course, all your digital Casio features, including stopwatch, a timer, daily alarms, and an automatic calendar are included. Overall, these are really great watches. Of course, you're going to get reliable timekeeping from that digital Casio movement. They're a little bit flashy, so maybe pop this on your wrist when you're going out for a few drinks, and you will definitely get a couple of compliments wearing these ones out and about. So with all that information in mind, are you picking up one of these new retro Casios? If so, which one? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I'd probably go for this silver and gold with red accents one myself, but I can also see myself wearing the black one as well. If you do want to pick one up, there's a link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. So add to cart if you like the look of one of these. Well, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.